more than 100 rivers flow through Tokyo. This area has suffered flood damage many times because the land is shaped like a bowl, which makes it easy for water to accumulate. And the slopes of the rivers are also gentle, making it difficult for water to flow out into the sea. So when there is heavy rainfall, the water level is slow to fall. Furthermore, in recent years, the rapid progress of urbanization has made it harder for rainwater to penetrate the ground. Instead, it flows directly into the river itself, making it easy for flood to occur. So, how does Japan protect itself from flooding? Today, we are going on adventure to uncover its hidden secrets.
Hi guys, I'm Shoma from Japan. So today I'm gonna show you a really unique place, a temple deep underground. So I will promise you have never heard of it before, because even me, the locals, didn't know about it. Today I will try to explain everything, but some parts are really difficult to explain in English. Like this video will have subtitles in 30 languages, so be sure to turn them on. Okay, let's go to the entrance.
Today, I'm introducing the Metropolitan Outer Underground Discharge Channel located in Kasukabe City, Saitama Prefecture. You can access it by taxi or car from the station. Hidden beneath these buildings lies an underground temple that protects Tokyo from flooding.
終わりました。ではこちら、記念品となっておりまして、白いシールは参加証シールなので胸に貼ってください。はい、大丈夫です。ではお手洗いお済ませの上、2階展示室より開始となりますので、3時までにご移動をお願いいたします。はい、
首都圏外郭放水路はこの小さな川の洪水を大きな川江戸川へと流すために作られた地下の川になっています。
第一立港は川とは直接つながっておりませんが、他の4本の立港から合計5つの川の水を取り込みます。
水位の変動を緩やかにする機能や非常時に逆流を抑制する役割があります。大きさは東京ドームのグラウンドと同じくらいです。
のグラウンドの土の部分は 1.5 メートル厚みがあります。その下には調圧水槽の天井部分3メートルの厚みがあります。週末などは地元のサッカーチームなどが訪れて試合等を行っています。
段差あるので入り口ですね、お気をつけください。
I descend 130 steps. There are 59 columns, each 18 meters tall and weighing 500 tons. It has come to be known as the underground temple and has become popular with some tourists. Since it snowed yesterday, the ground is wet. River water comes from that hole. Next, I visit the facility where water is taken from the river. Since it's dangerous, I will wear helmets and harnesses. The hole is 70 meters deep, which is enough to fit the Statue of Liberty completely inside. I think those who are afraid of heights should definitely avoid coming here. It was fun, like walking on the edge of hell. When I stepped outside, it had just started snowing. It was a great opportunity to learn about the secrets behind Japan's safety